Let's make delicious pizza at home. Start by adding 1 cup of bread flour to the bowl. You can also use all-purpose flour. Add 1¼ teaspoon of instant active dry yeast and 1½ teaspoons of salt to the flour. Mix it together. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of honey. Add 2 cups of warm water. Keep mixing until all ingredients combine. At this point, start adding flour until you get a soft dough. I used 4½ cup of flour in total. You can use more or less flour to get a soft dough. This step can be done in cake mixer. Put the dough on oiled surface. Knead the dough about 5 to 10 minutes. Fold the dough on top of itself until you get soft and elastic dough. Put some oil on your hands to avoid sticking. Keep stretching and folding. After 10 minutes you will get a smooth and non-sticky dough. Put the dough in a greased bowl. It is preferable to refrigerate it overnight. If you are making pizza same day, cover and let it proof in a warm place for around 1 hour until double in size. In the meantime, prepare chicken. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 cups of chicken cut into 1-inch squares. Cook on medium heat until it changes color. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Stir well until all spices mix together. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After that, cook until excess water evaporates. Set aside. Let's make homemade pizza sauce. In a bowl, add around 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed Italian seasoning. Mix all ingredients and set aside. Grease the pizza pan and dust with flour. Preheat the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It has been 2 hours. The dough is ready. Transfer it to the floured surface. Make a ball and cut into halves. It will make 2 12-inch pizzas. Shape the dough with the help of rolling pin. If the dough is elastic, then you can take few minutes pause in between. Transfer it to the pan. You can stretch it little more to spread over. Spread some pasta sauce around 1/4 cup. You can also use tomato paste mixed with some salt and olive oil. Spread 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now add your favorite toppings. Start with tasty and spicy chicken. I am putting some onions, jalapeno, green peppers, and olives. Put into the oven for 20 minutes until the crust light golden. Beautiful looking delicious pizza is ready. The crust is nicely cooked from both sides. It is crunchy from outside and soft from inside. Sprinkle your favorite seasoning mix and some chopped basil leaves. Look at this beautiful slice with nicely cooked dough from inside. Enjoy this homemade pizza with homemade garlic sauce. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.